Now that we've made some PDFs, let's explain how that worked. I'll go here to the File, Print, Printer Catalog. This dialog box shows all of the current printers that are set up inside of the plotdev.bin file that is located in the model folder. We have customized to set this up to specifically work with Adobe PDF, which is a printer that I have in my printers or my Windows printers section. I've set the Adobe PDF printer in the Tekla printer catalog for all the different typical sheet sizes that ConX Tech prefers. With Adobe PDF as the printer, you're not plotting to file, so you don't need to specify a .ps, PostScript, or .pdf file extension. It's directly writing the information from Tekla to the PDF printer itself. This Adobe PDF printer can be seen here on my devices and printers, and here you see that I have the Adobe PDF printer. One thing that I have specifically set by right-clicking and going to Printing Preferences is I've turned off, for instance, asking me to replace an existing PDF file, as well as I have turned off the prompt for Adobe PDF file name. We don't want this to happen. We want Adobe to just automatically create and print to the file and make the PDF for us without asking us to verify the name or the directory where it's located. Now you'll notice here that there are some additional folders or files that are set up here, and what's happening is the ConX Submittals tool is actually programmatically writing into the registry those particular folders. So what you want to do is, at least the first time, manually go into your printer, change this off of the prompt for Adobe PDF file name to something else. It could be any file or folder on your machine. Apply that and hit OK. And in some cases you may need to restart Tekla Structures once you've done that before you actually use the ConX Submittals tool to print your PDFs. So again, just make sure that this is not currently selected. The last technical thing to explain about printing to PDF with the ConX Submittals tool is when the ConX Submittals tool is launched, it creates a text file inside of your model folder that uses your computer username _ ConX Drawings Output text file. If you open this up, it actually shows or displays a registry setting or a registry path that's in your Windows registry, and right now you can see here that it's reading from the current user, and it's using Adobe Acrobat Distiller, and I have version 10.0 on my machine. So I've bought Adobe Professional, and we use that, and it has the Acrobat Distiller built into it. This is then linked with the printer that you just saw me displaying in the previous video clip. And so the big thing is that if you're not using Adobe, like our Acrobat Distiller, or you're not using version 10, you come in here and change this to whatever you need to, and it will read that for your particular computer that you're on and whichever printer that you want to be utilizing. Now, a lot of other softwares, PDF softwares, have registry settings as well, where you can kind of customize that folder path and specifying that the file names are set by whatever's sent to the printer. So this is a little bit of a technical setup type thing here, and it may or may not work on your machine. And if it doesn't work on your machine, you can't get it set up by contacting the ConX CAD support team, then you can just manually create the PDF files however you're used to, and then just put them in the appropriate submittal folders.